Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. So today in this video I will be sharing you quick 6 easy bookmark ideas that you can create by yourself. So let's get started. So for this first bookmark I am just taking this pink color and just spreading it using my water brush pen. I am just creating two blobs, one smaller and one bigger, and the smaller one is in light color. Now here I am just drawing a flower kind of a structure on top of it so that it will look really nice, as you can see over here. Now I have created these 4 dots and now I am drawing a leaf kind of a structure. For this small blob I am drawing 2 leaves kind of things so that this will look all put together. Now as you can see, this is looking really nice. Now using the gold Posca marker, I am creating few dots over here so that the white space should not look like very blank. And as you can see, it's looking really nice to me actually. Yeah, it's looking really nice. So what I'm now doing is, to increase the thickness of this bookmark, I am pasting it on top of a blue colored paper, and now using the punch machine I am making a hole on it. So this is looking really nice now. So this was the first bookmark that we have created. Now let's move on to the second one. Here what I'm doing is, with using my brush pen again, I am creating few heart kind of shapes, as you can see over here. Now these shapes I am creating on this in a horizontal format, and I will be drawing 4 or 5 hearts in the same manner, as you can see. Now what I will do is, I'll outline this in a very asymmetrical manner. Double and triple outlines I will create on all these hearts. Now I'll be joining them with the line, and then again the same technique to increase the thickness. Now I have used a orange color paper and our bookmark is ready. Now comes the third idea. So for this one I am again creating blob, one with this sand kind of a color, and for the second one I'll be using a lighter shade of brown. And I am here mixing the two. Now I will create a pattern on it, a boho kind of a pattern, having some leaves drawn in a fully asymmetrical manner. I'll keep on adding these leaves, as you can see over here. On this second blob also I'll create similar leaves but in opposite direction. And yeah, our bookmark is ready. Again the same thing, to increase the thickness I will use a brown colored sheet over here, and our bookmark is finally ready. So now moving on to the fourth idea. For this one what I will do is, I will be creating a background of a pastel pink color. And below that I am using this very light lavender shade to again create a shape, and using a darker pink color I am creating few dots which could look like a circular pattern. And so that what we will do is, we will Later on, turn this one into a very nice flower kind of a structure. It could just look like a flower, need not to be a flower exactly, if that makes some sense. So yeah, this is what I have done in this. Now I'm using a yellow color and filling it in inside so that it could really look like a small flower. And then I will be drawing a line on it and it will look like a pattern. And I'll join these flowers with this. Now this has really started coming up into shape, as you can see. I will fill this thing up with the black pen, black marker that I have. So the best part of creating these bookmarks is that you really don't need fancy tools to create it. I'm just using the brush pen and the brush water marker to create it, and a simple black pen. So it's very easy to create, yet it looks so beautiful. Now we have our next idea. For this one, I will be creating a tulip kind of a flower, but with a blue color. So here, as you can see, I am creating it, and then I am using a bright green color to draw the leaves. And this bookmark will keep very simple, will not add a lot of details, just this flower, nothing else. And yeah, it was so simple, it's so easy, it's ready. Then for our next idea, I will be creating few patterns on the paper. As you can see, I am using the bright yellow color over here and I am creating these patterns just so that they would look good together. That's the only thing I am focusing on over here. And yeah, once the pattern is ready, I'm creating a kite kind of a structure. And once this kite will be done, I am creating the dotted line over here so that I will match it up with the kite. And once it will be joined with the kite, it will look a very nice boho structure. So yeah, that's the thing. It's a very easy and very beautiful bookmark. I really like this one, to be honest, as compared to any other bookmark that I created today. So yeah, I created few circles and then it's ready. So this was the last idea that I had, and now we'll take a look on all the bookmarks that we have created today. So we created a total of 6 bookmarks. I think all of them are pretty good. Let me know in comments which one you liked and which one would you like to try by yourself. Please subscribe the channel. Thanks for watching. Bye.